Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix image quality problems in Leonardo AI in 2026. So if your images look blurry, low detail, distorted, or simply not as good as expected, here are some common ways to improve the results. First, review your prompt and make it more detailed. A vague prompt often leads to weaker image quality, while a detailed description gives the AI more information to work with. Next, include quality-focused terms in your prompt. Yeah, phrases like high detail, ultra-realistic, sharp focus, professional photography, cinematic lighting, and high resolution can often improve the final output. Finally, save the best results and reuse successful prompt structures in future projects. So over time, you'll develop a workflow that consistently produces higher quality images, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix image quality problems in Leonardo AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.